Don't tell it.
What did you wish for? Tell me.
Don't tell. It won't come true if I tell it.
Are you sure? Who told you that?
Mama. TV.
Oh yeah?
Yep, we'll cut it.
Hey. I'm gonna lick the bottom off of it.
What are you doing, Alex?
What?
What are you doing?
What?
Are you looking at candles?
No.
Okay. I'll go get it.
If you, I could eat. I'm gonna lick the bottom of the candle.
Okay.
It's good. It's good.
What about Spider-Man? Does Spider-Man get a candle? Or are they all gone?
Just one more.
Did you lick that one already?
No.
Oh. Alex, don't tease.
Not. It's Aiden's grabbing it.
Well, he's going to give it to him.
I didn't believe him.
Lick the frosting. Good stuff.
It's like I want the cake. It's the best.
Okay, we ready?
I don't want it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nana's getting the plates.
Oh, velvet goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna eat it all. Oh, that's a big cake, bigger than my cake. Wait, the cake I wanted for my birthday, it's bigger than your guys', bigger than that cake. It's that Spider-Man one that it's like that big. Like there's like there's black and red on the building. Like the bad guy and the good guy on the building.
Really? Wow.
How many of us are there?
Does Spider-Man eat cake?
I get some of those little Dixie cups.
Like cake? It's pretty good.
I want that one. I want that
Let me
one.
go get that ice cream.
Well, I think they're pretty
Oh
much all
my
the
God.
same.
That's one for Julie. Yeah, I do. That one's for Alex. That one's for Alex. Oh, I got some on. I got some on my plate.
Yeah.
And this.
Okay, Maria.
God.
Your piece. Get the birthday girl.
This one.
No. I think they're all about the same.
Okay, that one. I want this one. I want that one.
You're really
You want
gonna
ice
make
cream?
me go through the
Yeah.
Julian, do you want
Ice
ice cream?
plate over here.
I want ice cream too.
You do.
Okay. Hey, what about June? What about these little presents for Heavy?
Yeah.
Heavy? Yeah.
Good job, man.
You got a lot of
Here, Aiden, give me your plate and I'll give you a piece of cake.
Yeah.
There's about that one over there. That one's a single one.
You need a, you need
mine.
forks.
Who wants some more plates? Oh, it was my face.
You want ice cream, Alex?
Yeah. Me too.
Spider-Man. What kind of cake is
That
that?
matches the cake perfect, doesn't it?
Spider-Man cake?
Bria, you want ice cream?
Here, she was.
You like Spider-Man
Oh,
cake?
you can eat the ice cream too.
Thank you. Now I'll just have it in the cup.
Here you go.
Here, you want to just keep it in the cup?
Spoonie. Here's my spoonie. Thank
There
you.
go. There you go. Good job, buddy. Well done.
Is that good, Spider-Man?
Strawberry.
I thought it was red velvet.
It is red velvet.
No, the ice cream.
Fork.
Mm-hmm.
Eat with a spoon, Pinky. You can eat both with a spoon. Is that bad?
Maria, do you like your
Cake with a
birthday
spoon,
cake?
Is that
Is that your favorite kind of cake?
blasphemy?
Or what's your favorite cake?
Red velvet?
Red velvet? That's mine too.
Who else wants ice cream?
That can be mine. It's tiny.
You want ice cream?
No.
No, I got your
Anybody,
plate.
Dave?
I got your
I don't
plate.
think so.
Hey, I got your plate.
No ice cream, thank you.
Ice cream. Here.
I already got.
I'm just gonna have some cake.
you a plate.
I think I'm going to have
I
some
might
ice
get
cream.
some forks.
How come you got 2 plates going here, buddy?
That's for that one.
Don't you want it all on one plate?
No.
Huh?
She said no.
There you go.
I have
Thanks,
sauce
Shannon.
and red frosted.
How is it? Is it good?
Delicious.
Where's your pot, Maria?
Is this yours?
Uh-huh. It is?